Hi there, students. Strife. Okay, strife is an uncountable noun. Strife means heated argument, conflict, disagreement, sometimes violent, but more normally, strife is not generally violent, although it could be. Strife. vi- a, a quarrel. So, for example, domestic strife, problems within a family. Um, okay, so you could have political strife. This country has been subjected to political strife for many years. Conflict, trouble, arguments, bitter disagreement, particularly over fundamental issues, discord, disagreements, dissension. Notice the Australians and New Zealanders use strife just to mean any kind of problem, any kind of difficulty. But for me as a Brit, strife is something much more heated, where people are angry. There's a lot of strong feeling. Okay, so the political strife in the country has led to many riots. This country is strife torn. One of the major issues that causes strife within a family is money. So bitter rivalry, bitter contention, bitter discord. Okay, strife, the state of always being, always quarreling, always in struggle, always in conflict. Armed strife. Notice I've used the adjective armed to say clearly that here there is violence. Okay, so the after several years of armed strife, a peace treaty was drawn up. Yeah, industrial strife. There is a lot of strife between the unions and the bosses. There is a lot of internal strife within the party. Strife between wives and mother-in-laws, for example. Civil strife, civil unrest. Okay, so strife, bitter conflict, sometimes violent, but not necessarily. Okay, let's see. Formality, strife. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Notice in Cockney rhyming slang, you have the phrase trouble and strife, meaning wife, because strife rhymes with wife. A little bit of a joke there. Okay, so strife, bitter conflict. As to origin, strife comes from the verb to strive, to make a strenuous effort, to try earnestly and persistently to do something. Yeah, to strive against the circumstances, to strive against your rivals. Okay, and then strife itself comes from French estriver, meaning to compete or to quarrel, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic stribana or strivan, meaning stiff or rigid. Okay, so strife, conflict, people arguing, dissension, a clash, a confrontation, a difference of opinion, discord, dissension, dissidence, dissonance, a schism, yeah, okay, hostility as well, conflict, belligerence. Okay, so domestic strife, internal strife. I shall not cease from mental strife, thinking about things and arguing with yourself because you can't get things straight in your mind. So there you go, strife. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Strife.